Hi there, I'm Santina from WTI. If your man is looking for a great new pair of everyday shoes, then definitely check out these Sperry men's Gold Cup. These are the brown color. My husband recently got these, but he has more than one pair of this shoe in different colors. He loves these shoes. So they are super, super comfortable. He says that they're just awesome for walking, and they've even held up really well on international trips where you just do a lot of walking as a tourist. They are great for that. We also love the design style. So what's really nice about these is you can dress them up or dress them down. They can go dressy or casual. I especially love with this color that it has that deep brown color, but it has the contrasting color in the threads and the laces. So it just gives it a unique, cool appearance. They're a really fun pair of shoes. Overall, we really like these, both my husband and I think they look great on him. So I hope you will as well. And that's my point of view.